I play a lot of roles.
Wow.
I'm your host here in 5 Private Dining. Also, I'm part of 18. So we're the producers and the managers of Lara. So I'm manager. Number 3, I'm the director of the show.
Yes.
Okay.
And number 4, I'm fat. We have prepared some snacks now for you, and then we can make it a working restaurant. And then later on, we will sing for it. So please enjoy the food.
Sir Paolo, choice ba nila Lara and Gian yung food?
Hindi, syempre. Manager ako
This
eh.
is our favorite.
Yeah.
This is where everything happens. All the planning, all kasi gusto namin dito kasi sa pagkain.
Sarap ng food dito, Francis. This is my second time.
Thank you.
And we're very first.
Parang hindi na kasama na.
Oh, okay.
So please, kita mo na. Okay.
Kumakain daw muna.
Okay.
Okay, let's eat first and then interview
Yes.
Yeah, sure.
or interview while eating.
Hindi, siguro ano na tayo ngayon, Q&A na. No? Para,
Oh, you want?
para fresh pa sila.
Oh, para later na yung eating.
Kasi mamaya sira ng makeup nila.
Oh.
Shoot. Okay.
Shoot.
Hi, Gian, Lara. Hello, we're from Diner TV. Question ko na, paano nag-come up na kayo pagsamahin for this greatest duets?
Okay, so actually this is the second of the Greatest Duets series. We did our first the Greatest Duets concert last year, which was the Greatest Duets post Broadway, and we're so grateful that A-Team, our producer, they liked the show so much that they wanted to do the second leg of the Greatest Duets, which is Greatest Duets special screening.
Which this time it is a repertoire of movie theme songs, for movies and movie musicals.
Na gagawin sa loob ng isang cinema, movie house.
Yes.
Oo, pero kaya maraming tatanong, ano ba yun? Shoot niyo yung movie tapos papalabas sa screen eh.
Hindi live siya. Live show
siya.
siya.
It's going to be a concert inside a movie house.
With a live band and
With Augie and Regina also as our
yes,
guests.
and you can bring popcorn and song selections, of course.
Collaboration between us and our director, Paolo Bustamante.
Yes,
Are we talking about local or international movies?
these are international movie theme
movie
songs.
songs. So, name it, The Greatest Showman, Moulin Rouge. Siguro, I don't know if you hear the word movie, ano bang naalala niyo kung famous
Mga box office siya.
Okay na to? Yeah.
So it's actually a combination of a lot of course, our personal favorite choices there of the songs, and we thought also na magugustuhan din mga tao.
Will this be like parang live movie scoring na may lumalabas ng movie tapos sinasabay i-scorean niyo yung movie? Parang
It's
live
really
scoring.
like your any concert, and it's a more of a concert experience, but just inside a movie house. But we will utilize the movie screen also, the movie house screen. So magagamit din namin. Very very uncommon kasi hindi naman everyday na meron sa concert ng movie screen sa likod. So it's more of a concert than like live scoring or actually, to answer your question also, na how did this come about to the duets? We were saying kanina that how did this duet come about? Why did we do it? Ryan Calabria, during the pandemic, it was 2020, he paired us for a duet. And that's when we realized na parang, okay, yung boses natin together.
Oh, and then it actually was a pop song, a Michael Jackson song.
Michael Jackson 5.
Michael Jackson 5 song. And then that's when that whole experience for us to be able to sing together happened. And since then, sabi ko, parang bagay yung boses natin. Oo, parang dapat kumanta pa tayo. So, that's where our repertoire grew.
And then now it became a series of concerts.
Yes.
And since hindi usual yung sa cinema yung culture, kailan nung gagawin yun?
Sa 18.
Yes.
Because kanina, he was here. He was saying na they were talking to Araneta Group for Martin Rivera's Araneta Coliseum concert. And they offered this venue na baka makilala kayo to use Cineplex 11 as a concert venue. It is a movie house. They really use it for movies. But they offered that. We are, isa siguro yung kick off ng place as a concert venue as well.
Yes, and also this is the kickoff, as Kuya Ogie said also earlier, for the concerts of 18 that they're producing. So this is the first of the concerts.
18 recently had a trade launch, and from then, dun present yung mga magiging concerts under 18 for the whole season.
Yeah, for the season. There is a concert for Martin Rivera and Street Boys.
And Ogie, of course.
Yeah.
So, abangan kami ang bibinyag ng concert, ng series ng concerts.
Curious lang ako, ano yung favorite love story movie nyo na dalawa?
Magkaiba kami. We see love differently. Ano favorite love story movie?
Love story movie? Siguro, I think we both agree with a musical like Phantom of the Opera. Not necessarily the love story of it, but really the presentation. Kasi the dragon. Pero presentation, tsaka yung parang sana gawin natin din yung parang gano'n.
Something like Phantom of the Opera kasi is parang it's close to our hearts because ang daming factor doon na nakaka-relate kami. Yung bida, soprano. Tapos, yung kanyang kaduet is dalawa, si Phantom or yung love interest niya sila. But if you ask me also, I love growing up, I watched it in a movie house. I love Titanic. It's such a
all-time favorite.
All-time favorite. Yes. So we will, of course, we are including Titanic in our repertoire.
Actually,
with a twist.
Yun
yung kasi kami kasi ni Gian, syempre, we are not your typical billetera. I think we have a different style. It's not the usual, but we're very proud to showcase something new with these very popular songs. And iba yung pagkabirit namin.
Babalik pa rin kami dun sa wanting to, we're aiming to make every number for us, this is our greatest duet.
Yeah.
And then the next number is, this is our greatest duet. And ito mas, itong greatest duet. Tapos biglang may guest. Ito yung greatest duet. So that's really the running theme and how we feel about, how we felt with the last concert and this concert making it bigger and better all the time going out talaga.
The question.
What do you think? Sorry, my name is Jamie. I'm from Angela. Hi. Hello. So, what do you think makes this thing work between you two? Like the chemistry. I mean, what do you think makes it like wow, so patok between the two of you?
I think it's very unique because one of the things that makes it not patok siguro, it's very unique because you don't usually see duets nowadays of two people, especially two people who are really actually together, and you don't hear two different types of voices singing together, collaborating nowadays with someone who's like from this world and me in this world, and then now we're doing it together. I think the unique sound is what makes it patok din. Tsaka,
I think it's not kasi we found each other through a duet. So, minsan, when we sing on stage, then people in the audience would tell us, sila ba? Kasi because of maybe the chemistry. And I think there's there's really something magical about that, yung hindi mo na kailangan sabihin. Yung, I think, how we talk on stage. Yeah, oo, parang, so, minsan, we just leave it to them na parang, sila ba, confirm na lang namin. Pero I think there's magic and familiarity, that much familiarity with each other. Tapos, sinabi nga ni Gian, kasi yung mundo namin magkaiba sa singing din. He grew up with musical theater. He is the Philippines' main leading man. Ako naman ang soprano. I grew up singing classical, but together we bring a different sound, you know. And siguro bonus na lang yung love. And we're just very happy that A-Team is also our family. So sana maramdaman niyo yun sa concert.
You wanna answer that? Kayo nga.
Kasi ikaw eh.
Yeah.
3 years na.
3 years na because of singing, because of that duet. We realized hindi lang boses namin yung bagay.
At least you answered the ano, di ba?
Okay lang.
No problem.
Charot lang. So, question. Sorry, go ahead.
Kevin Pompeo from Manila Concerts. Speaking of different styles, singing styles, how do you guys maintain your voice as well?
Okay. I like it when people ask that all the time kasi sabi nga, kanina there was a question earlier na how do you keep yourself relevant? We are so happy because a lot of younger ones, a lot of the new generation, always ask us on a comment or like message us on Instagram, personal message na they want to ask how to improve themselves, how do we sing like that? Ate Lara, like Kuya Gian, how do we sing like that? And we advocate talaga, you know, get a good teacher, get a good singing teacher, find kasi you really have to start with a very good foundation. And I think as a classical singer, and I studied music at UP College of Music, sabi ko, there's a reason why my mom, who's 67, still sounds the same singing classical. It's because we have this very, very solid foundation kasi nag-classes kami. Sabi ko nga lagi, okay lang naman yung YouTube University, but you always should have a teacher to tell you, okay, you're developing this bad habit. YouTube cannot tell you that. You cannot observe.
Actually, YouTube, hindi nila masasabi kung sintonado ka o hindi.
Yes.
Kasi sinusunod nila. Yung teacher kasi is there also to be able to help you and guide you. And connecting to what Lara said also, both of our moms, my mom is also a music teacher. So
we are products
of
music
teachers.
Education from our parents and professors. See, my parents go for music, so even his mom. So we want to advocate that. You know, good singing doesn't just come from born talent or it comes from training, so much training. A lot of people don't know how much we go through, or we went through, how much we've gone through also all these years. Just if you see Gian on musical theater on stage, tagal-tagal na nag-perform kasi
and I guess hindi lang dahil sa genre namin kaya mo mag-aral, pero I think in any genre, and especially the young ones growing up, I think it would be always a good thing to say to the young ones na education is still a good foundation. Hindi lang yung, gusto ko lang kasi magpasikat para baka okay na yun. Hindi, maganda pa rin yung meron tayong, I guess we, learn to be humble and, and find that humility in education.
And in addition to that, what about the discipline?
The discipline, oo.
Sleep.
Actually, people ask, sobrang simple lang makapag-maintain ng boses. Aside from your training, vocalization, or having lessons, matulog kayo. Kung hindi ka matulog talaga, if you don't have good sleep, if you don't take care of your body, And it's different for everybody. Sabi niya, Lara, bakit matalabig na tubig gusto mo? Because that's how I got, I got used, that was what works for me. Because nauuhaw ako pag hindi talaga malamig eh. Pero dahil dati ko pa siya ginagawa.
Sanay na.
Sanay ka na. Para kang kunyari, bigla ka na lang mag-gym. Siyempre, sasakit yung katawan mo kasi you don't do it often. But when we've been doing it for so long, then suddenly it becomes a lifestyle. So that's the discipline there. Making it a lifestyle. Having good sleep, training your voice.
And also, I guess having that mindset that we're not saying we're the best or anything. We're just saying coming from people who are constantly learning. Parang we're still at that point na even if I've been doing this for 20 plus years na rin as a singer and as an actor on stage, parang gusto ko pa rin matuto and to get better. And that's how you really can influence other people by the attitude of still learning and trying to do new things and collaborating. I think that's what one of the essence of being an artist.
You guys eat ice cream, sweets, something like that.
Yeah,
of course. Mahal na naman sweets kami. Medyo malusog kami. Pero I mean, in moderation or nagpahawi talaga tubig. Ang daming nga curious sa vocal health. Diba? Ang daming curious. Pero you will learn all of these things from a teacher too. Also, and also just knowing your body. Yun. Yeah.
Okay, going back to the Greatest Duets special screening, hi Lara and Gian, I'm Ross.
Hi Ross.
Rosario from Wasa Pilipinas. My question is, kasi kasama sila Regine and Ogie, di ba? And since the name is Greatest Duets, is it safe to assume that they will duet with each one of you? So si Ogie kay Lara and then si Gian kay Regine?
That's a good idea. Pero I think for this concert, we wanna highlight a duet from Ogie and Regine with a duet that we usually hear them sing an Ogie Alcacid song. But this time, we're sticking with a movie theme, international movie theme. So they will be singing something maybe you haven't heard them sing. Also, they might join us for something, but only one way to find out. So watch on August 30th.
What's usually the range ng tickets? Is it affordable din for the working or students or fans of yours?
So the ticket prices are the most expensive is the platinum is 5,000, but the cheapest is 2,000. But when you see the venue, every seat has a very, very good view already of the whole thing. It's a 400-seater cinema, but with very comfortable seats. Tapos, dyan mismo kami nag-photo shoot.
Dyan mismo yun.
Ang ganda kasi any part of the...
And there will also be extra seats
in front.
No, there will be. Yes,
okay.
Yes. Confirmed. Oo.
Sa mas mahal yan, yung nasa harap.
Oo. Kasi kung ayaw mo pang umakyat, gusto mo lang ilang akyat lang. So it's very, very friendly. The whole venue is so PWD friendly, meaning from the drop-off of the Gateway 2 Mall, may elevator na agad straight to the cinema. And downstairs, there's a whole bunch of restaurants to enjoy before coming up at 8 p.m.
Yeah, it's a very new location for us, for me, to be able to see it for the first time, Gateway 2. And I initially, sabi ko, okay, I haven't seen this, and having a cinema to be able to do a concert there. And yes, we'll have a good time and find out, for yourself when you watch it.
The ticket price is that.
And you can get them on Ticketnet or just message 18.
Paano yan, 400 lang? Paano kung napuno na? Is there a possibility na magkaroon ng part 2 dahil hindi nakapasok lahat?
So, we did the Greatest Duets Post-Broadway last year. It's a smaller venue. Tapos, habang tumatagal, ito na yung next namin, times 2 na kami. 400-seater na. But at the same time, as much as we want to do 2 nights, Gian and I will be flying to Singapore. Gian will be doing the Southeast Asian premiere of the Stony Award-winning musical called Dear Evan Hansen. So,
I'm flying actually the day after the concert. So I will. Yeah. So Dear Evan Hansen is gonna be in Singapore. I have to be there September 1. So it's just like a day to pack and really start work there in Singapore till November. So it's a musical. And Lara will also be going to Singapore for a concert with the Singapore Symphony Orchestra under the baton of Gerald Salonga.
So we'll hopefully bring the greatest duets there someday also in Singapore.
We'll be together there but different shows.
In the same concert venue. He will be at the Victoria Theatre. I will be at the Victoria Concert Hall for classical naman.
Same day?
Yeah.
No, not same day. But
so to answer your question, there won't be a second night anytime soon till we come back.
Yeah, after us will be the concert muna of the Concert King,
yes.
Mr. Martin Rivera at the Araneta Coliseum. Di pa kami doon yun. Ano pa kami, Cineplex, tapos siguro next time 600 muna. Yeah.
Museum, something like that.
But what I can guarantee you is you are getting a ticket for a concert with 2 artists plus 2 icons. So
live,
and then you're gonna be very comfortable in your seats.
Yeah.
And Cubao is such a wow. Nakita mo yung Cubao, hindi ganun yung Cubao din.
Before.
Parang, what?
Gateway, iba na talaga.
And you can eat popcorn.
While watching her, you can drink, you can eat popcorn.
Hindi lang pwede iba to yung popcorn.
Oo, sa amin. Pero, it's like,
is there any plan ba na yun? Tulad ng sinabi mo, madala rin sa ibang bansa yung
Oh yes, that is actually our dream, to be able to bring this around the world, syempre. Bring it to more audiences, sa mga ibang Pilipino din.
We're not limiting the greatest duets to a theme lang na genre. It's more, the greatest duets goes to Europe. Ganon. Or the greatest duets goes to Hawaii. Ganyan.
Pangarap na kung mangarap, diba? And I think that's what's great about the greatest duets. We have to really reach for great duets and one step at a time.
Sabi niyo, this is a series, di ba? Yung una, Broadway. This is special screening.
Yes.
So may mga plans ba na soon? OPM naman?
So we were saying kanina, may Tagalog song ba? Ano yung movies then? We're reserving that, of course, for the greatest duets goes OPM. It's a different, kasi OPM has to be championed like that. Yes. And marami masyadong magagandang theme songs, mga Pinoy yung movies, kaya let's reserve that for another concert. Yeah.
I guess this is also our little way of like sharing to everybody out there, to you most especially, that this is what we want to bring the greatest duets together. Right?
Sorry, you've been busy.
For this show, ano yung process niya sa song selections tsaka dun sa arreglo, influence niyo, sino nag-a-adjust sa company?
So, with our repertoire is a collaboration between us and our director, Paolo Bustamante. And we love working with our director because he's very cool. Kasi, but we always ask for his suggestion because I don't know kung magulang utak namin dalawa. Pero siya nag-organize sa amin. And most of our songs, of course, are the ones that champion our range.
Yes. Siyempre yung iniisip din namin lagi na pagpipili kami ng kanta, bakit masabi ito? Bakit kasi ito? Or maganda yung kanta, pero parang hindi naman para sa boses natin. So, we really have to tailor the songs and the arrangements to kung ano mabagay din talaga sa amin.
We are actually recycling some songs also from the greatest duets goes Broadway just because it was a sold out show, but not a lot of people were able to see it and to watch it. So, parang the other people were asking for a repeat, but like, if this is better, a different experience with some pachi-pachi lang of last year's concert. And of course, these songs are in movies as well. Hindi pwedeng wala.
Yeah, and it's exclusive, meaning there was no recording of the last one that you can see online or
live
YouTube.
experience.
So,
Yes.
Iba pa rin yung babayaran mo, meron pa rin talaga exclusivity na, uy, napanood ko sila. Iba rin din.
Do you have some of your influences, like from the Broadway or from the theater world? It's also mainstream or indie?
Yeah, all naman. Well, I've always liked Hugh Jackman, for example. He's like in all different types of platforms, from Broadway musicals, doing Oklahoma, and then naging Wolverine, and then naging Greatest Showman. And I personally, I wish I could be something like that. Then doing musical theater, doing a concert, having greatest duets with Lara, and doing a movie, Pushing Libres also. So on Netflix.
You also act din.
Yes. So parang if there's someone that I look up to, for example, one of is someone like him. Also, my musical heroes would be influenced by the Beatles, or like traditional pop songs, or iba-ibang mga artists din naman yung nag-influence sa akin. Even like Ogie or Gary Belchano and Martin Rivera are icons. I grew up watching them, and I always wish that I could be someone like them one day.
Me naman, I've always loved Sarah Brightman, because Sarah Brightman tinus niya yung classical sound to more mainstream. And also Celine Dion, I love Celine Dion just because she's so unique and she brings something else talaga to each song. And well, of course, I've always been a Lea Salonga fan. Who is that? And and then of course Regine Velasquez. And what I love about Miss Reg is we're totally different voices kami ni Miss Reg. But for some reason, because I've been with 18 for 10 years now, and ever since I've been an artist of 18, Miss Regine has been very generous to me. Kasi siguro natutuwa siya na iba yung hindi ako biritera, na iba yung pagkakanta ko. So natutuwa lang ako na dati she would dress me up and then change my look, na gawing edgy na classical na singer. And I really appreciated that. So she's always been someone I look up to. So for them to say yes to us, napakalaking bagay nun sa amin dalawa ni Gian, di ba?
We're very grateful to be able to have this opportunity. Get this, sa dami-dami ng mga magagaling na singer dito sa bansa natin, to be able to get a concert and to be able to have this opportunity. We're just coming from a very grateful place.
Narinig ka ba na mag-soprano dito?
Hindi siguro soprano, tenor.
Yes.
Medyo tataka na ako ng soprano si Gian. But we'd like to sing for you after and later on, to just showcase siguro of what we will offer in the concert, and what siguro sets us apart from other concerts that will be happening, that is happening. Dami kasing concert, ang daming musical. Actually, yung nangyayari, alam yan, yung may lang concerts. Dami, bigla na lang. Kaya rin, kailangan you to put out something different and unique, a one-of-a-kind experience.
Yes, and I guess earlier, si Kuya Ogie, he was saying that there's a market for different types of, maraming mga iba't-ibang klaseng market. And I guess we offer something for a specific market, and I hope we can be able to build our market, and we're hoping that we can entertain more and more people, and hope they like our music, our combination.
So, bago kami mag-international, literally going to Singapore lang. Of course, we want to start here.
Speaking of different stuff, kanina, di ba? How will you make this different? Magkakaroon ba ng special outfit kayo? May designer bang involved? Mag-change costume ba kayo during the performance? Papalit-palit ka ba ng dress?
I think, well, not really in the attire. I mean, it's more of like kailan pa ba kayo nakanood ng concert sa isang movie house? Yun na lang. That's, I think, the main difference. And also, ano yung birit namin? Anong kalasing? Mamaya, I will just give you a sample. Pero parang, I think that sets us apart. But yung, I think also how we will, again, utilize the cinema house. Because the challenge for us, it's not your typical concert venue. So the challenge for A-Team as well is how to make it a concert venue. Kasi nga, hindi rin siya madali. Wala naman sasabitan ng ilaw doon, di ba? So,
yeah, oo. And yung pagdating din sa costume, sabi ko, naisip ko rin yun. Mahirap din magpalit kung duet, no? Kasi lagi kami magkasama sa stage.
So may solos din kayo, baka possible?
Yes, last year kasi we didn't have solos at all.
But last year, there was an Act 1 and Act 2 of the show. This year, parang play, so nakapag-bihis pa kami. Pero this year, kasi it's one straight sound. Wala nang first set or second act.
It's also good, no? Kasi parang there with cinemas, diba? Parang there's like a decline, they say now, because a lot of people can watch online, nasa Netflix. I think it's also great that you guys are doing this. Could also like spur a trend of having these really nice live concerts in cinemas.
Yes.
Not only helping the OPM industry, also helping cinemas.
Cinema industry,
yeah, cinema
yes.
industry.
Yes.
Yeah.
Perhaps, advocates din kami ng young people have to go back to the cinema.
Yes.
That's true.
Especially Cinemalaya just finished, and we were able to watch Konabasha. Yeah, Konabasho, sorry. And it's really something na, iba talaga yung manood sa sinehan, no? Tapos sabi na, napaisip din kami, concert tayo dito sa sinehan.
Is there any pressure on your part?
Oh yeah, definitely. But I think in any project you do naman, may pressure naman lagi. And it's nice to be aware of that para makapag-prepare tayo at para galingan din.
Well, there will always be pressure. But especially if someone's producing for us, which is A-Team. So, we would just want to do our best, really, and come up with a very, very excellent show for all of you.
And also, syempre, trying our best to really reach out to, our market, to the people there, to offer them something unique para makanood sila.
Do you also get nervous after all these years, and how do you remove the nerves?
After first song, hindi na kami usual.
Wow, pag-start na.
Kasi usually pag na-feel mo na yung audience, unless your audience are like members of a medyo uptight. Ganun talaga eh. As a performer, many years kami dalawa na parang gauge mo yan sa first. Sa first, or pag may in front kayo, makikita mo yung audience, ganyan.
Pero wala kayong rituals,
Rituals, we pray for sure. We really pray before any performance. Talaga kasi there can be things that will happen na hindi mo expect.
Live.
Anything can happen.
Anything can happen. Yeah, anything can happen in life. And I guess that's the beauty of it, the excitement of it. In any show, no matter who watches,
Kakabahan ka lang naman pag hindi ka ready talaga. Yung hindi ka rehearse ng tama. So, we're all given a chance to rehearse and really train for it. I think kami ni Gian, we've had many years of training na rin. And, but it's always going to be nerve-wracking at first. Totoo yan. Patao rin kami. Pero, but it's...
Tsaka iba rin din yung kaba din nung sino manunood?
May manunood. Yun yung isang pressure.
Ibang pressure din.
Yung parang, pero it's been okay. It's been good. We will ask for your help also, of course, to encourage people to, buy this experience.
Yeah. Bakit kailangan nalang panoorin ng tao tong The Greatest Duets nito?
Kailangan nila mapanood to dahil sure ako hindi pa nila napapanood ito. So kahit sino pang artist na nandyan, lalo na yung mga, kahit na parehong kanta ibigay mo sa kanila, hindi pa nila napanood na kagaya ng pagkanta nila. Ito, oo. I can challenge din. Kantahin yung pag-hari ng kinanta niya. Kaya ako rin siya gusto ka-duet.
We are embracing our uniqueness, and minsan din kasi hindi rin ganun ka na-expose tayo lahat, or especially the masa. We just want to elevate the experience, not educate, but not just educate. It won't like saying that. It's more elevate. Parang, wow, ganito pala. May ganito pa pala. Oh, pwede pala kumanta ng ganyan. We just want to inspire, really, and really give a different experience na parang, pag ikaw nakapanood na ng ganito, anything's possible. Yeah.
Just to really inspire also, siya.
And entertain.
Do we sing na for now?
Yes.
We're waiting for the song.
Sample na ba?
Hindi na kami mag-mic.
Acapella ba? Or...
I know, no.
Sing! Sing!
Now, eat!
Grabe!
Thank you so much.
More August 30.
August 30, The Greatest Duets special screening.
As we can continue this, but please have some of the food of 5 private dining if commenced.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Kain man o pagyaman, biyahe man kung saan-saan, kahit pa sino pa ang iyong angkan. What's up, Pilipinas? What's up, Pilipinas? Halina at libutin ang ating mundo. What's up, Pilipinas? Aming ibibigay ang inyong gusto. What's up, Pilipinas? Ang show na ito'y para lang sa inyo. What's up, Pilipinas? Tutok na. So what's up, Pilipinas? Ibutin ang mundo, kainin ang gusto. Alamin ang tamang daan kung paano ka umasanso. Kasama ang buong tropa ng pag sa Pilipinas. Aming ibibigay sa mata at ipapadanas ang saya ng what's up, Pilipinas. Tutok na, so what's up, Pilipinas? Ang saya dito sa Pilipinas. Ihahatid sa inyo ng what's up, Pilipinas.
What's up, Pilipinas? Kasama ko po ngayon si Gian and si Lara, and they're gonna invite you to a special event.
The Greatest Duets special screening happening on August 30, 8 p.m. at the Cineplex 11, Araneta City, Gateway 2.
Yes, please get your tickets on Ticketnet, and also contact A-Team at A-Team, that's in Instagram. And we have special guests, Ogie Alcacid and Jean Velasquez Alcacid, directed by Paolo Bustamante.
Yeah. Sir Paolo, sama kayo dito. The director.
Yeah!
Oh, time lapse, let's do the shout out, okay? On the count of 3, let's do the shout out. What's up, Pilipinas? 1, 2, 3. What's up, Pilipinas?
Ang saya ng what's up, Pilipinas. Tutok na, so what's up, Pilipinas? Ang saya dito sa Pilipinas. Ihahatid sa inyo ng what's up, Pilipinas.